Welcome to our guest bedroom.
Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah, bang. See? As soon as you come in this room, your eyes just go straight up.
Have a look at those bloody panels up there.
Love the artwork. Look at that.
Yeah, it's high though again, isn't it?
It is high.
And so he hung it like me, and
Yeah.
he didn't get in trouble, but I did. How does that work? He hung the
That's
same
judges for
thing.
you.
Oh yeah, those picture rails do need another coat.
Do they?
Yeah, look
Oh yeah.
how thin they are.
Yeah, there's a couple. That's okay. But what a room to paint. Like, how hard would that have been?
That's epic.
It's really good.
Okay, enough now. That curtain that they've done is really lovely.
Oh, so she's done Venetians
Oh,
with...
they're lovely.
There's nothing else you could do on a door. You can't
No.
do shutters. And she had really no other option.
It's a nice room.
This is, I think, that perfect balance between
Old and new.
old and new.
Let's go do some work.
Welcome to our room.
Welcome. Come on in.
I knew this was going to be a good room.
It's beautiful. Oh, Dad, look at the lights. They're like in.
Nice, very nice.
This is a bit of an issue. The judges did say about walking straight into the cupboards.
So I see what they mean. So they said when you open the door, this is what you come
Yeah,
to.
I do see that.
Maybe it should have gone here. Okay. Sometimes it's hard to know when you're planning that first day.
The curtain's over the shutters. Perfect.
That looks beautiful.
So I mean, it hides the shutters and makes it look nice and elegant.
How nice does it look with the drapes behind the cornice though? No actual bulkhead, it's just the cornice.
I know, I like that.
Study.
Wow.
That is thinking.
This is amazing.
Yeah, but this isn't just a spare bedroom. This is
no.
an actual office now for if someone wants to work from home.
Yeah, it's
You know.
really, really smart. And this is going to be a really good room to have in...
For a teenager.
Yeah.
This almost becomes like a massive suite with the, because that's going to be an ensuite in there, I think.
I like it, and I think there's a nice sense of colour in here.
They should be so proud of what
Should
they've
be
done.
proud. Okay, good.
Oh, welcome to our room.
Oh, this is nice. Very, very inviting.
This is so warm.
Oh, look at these handles.
They are amazing.
Wee bit Nana. My Nana would love this.
And that is beautiful. That pendant.
That's that light they found in the house. So this light was already in the house.
What a score.
That's amazing.
I love
Even-
the way she did the picture rails.
Yeah, look at that. That's perfect.
That's
mate.
so
That's nice.
good.
That's smart.
Is that how you're supposed to hang a picture?
That's what I'm
of
saying.
Gerard?
Is that how you meant to hang them? I'm not sure. I didn't know that.
And this carpet's luxurious.
So beautiful.
Run your feet like that.
Yeah,
it's
that's
actually
really nice on your feet.
so nice. It's like you're skating. Da, 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 da.
They do need bedside tables. That's a must.
Yep.
I disagree with what the judges said. I think this is great.
I understand. They do need a bedside table.
I'd rather have a bedside than a plant next to me.
The execution is beautiful. Look at the paint.
Oh, there's a paint spec there that they didn't get. Didn't get marked down for that, did they?
It is well executed. His painting is immaculate. I think mine's probably on par, if not better, but I'm joking.
Welcome to our bedroom!
Oh, this is beautiful.
Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful.
They come last.
They came last.
What's on this wall?
That's Venetian plastering. That looks really nice.
Oh, it feels amazing.
I love how they put the PowerPoints in the skirt.
Oh, I didn't notice that. That's cool.
I wouldn't have put a PowerPoint on the skirt. I would have gone up by onto the plastic. They used to do it in the old days.
But maybe that's where the thoughts was, like putting it like the old days. That's
Well.
smart, I think.
And like this, like the skirting with like the big bit at the bottom, like surely that's marks for that sort of era, isn't it?
To be honest, I think the skirtings are great. I think the
Even that's beautiful. That's well.
cornicing's great. I think the doors are beautiful. High doors.
Ceiling raise is nice too. Jeez. I can't believe they came last. I think they've done a beautiful job.
Love it. I love it, and she should not be disappointed at all.
I think it's really nice. I think they've done a great job. I really do.
Welcome to our room.
This is absolutely stunning.
Oh my God, it's so beautiful.
Look at the open space.
Yeah, I know. Look at how high it is. That's cool.
Look at that. Just imagine not lying in bed looking up at the rain.
Oh, for sure.
It looks like a master.
It does. It's a big space.
Is it just my eye, or can you see the joins?
Yeah, I can see the joint from here.
Did they paint the walls, or?
Oh, the hidden door.
So is that what it? Ah,
That's so
clever.
Oh, that is so clever.
Walking ensuite.
That's a win.
That is cool. I
I
like
like
that.
that. That's cool.
That's very smart.
Doors are hitting the carpet.
Oh yeah.
I don't feel the 1950s. Like,
No, not at all. Not at all. That's what's just confusing.
yeah, that's what I
It's a
It's
stunning room.
beautiful. Yeah.
Stunning.
No, that deserved to win. Deserved to win.
I love it. Definitely deserve to win.
Looks good. All right, I've seen enough, babe. I've had enough. Nothing in here I want to copy, that's for sure.
Goodbye.